I turned this classic Bible story into a cinematic video, zero animation skills, just one platform, and I'm going to show you my whole workflow and how I did it. Once you go to design, what we want to do first is to create our characters. This is going to set up the whole scene for us. And so what you can do is go to text to image to start generating, or you can go to community styles. Now I'm going to go for a fantasy, epic, adventure type of style. So if you type in fantasy in the community styles, I'm going to click on this one, epic, fantasy, adventure. Now I'm going to go into my prompt and paste a prompt for each character. We've got David and then we've got Goliath. So I'm just describing the look of the character, the feel, the clothes they're wearing, and the style, the cinematic Middle Eastern setting. The aspect ratio, I want to make it wide. So we're going to go with 16:9, and I'm going to generate for the first character. Then we've got Goliath. I'm going to paste in my prompt here. So we've got David here like this, and we've also got Goliath looking jacked. Crazy. Now, what we can do is start to generate videos from these images. You can go ahead and create variations. You can press number 1 on the variation, and if you like, let's say we like the second one, I can create variations, and you can do it multiple times to create different versions of those initial characters. Once you've generated the initial character photos, we want to go to character on the left-hand side menu, click build your character, and we want to click on quick mode. This is the fastest way to do it, and you want to start with one image only. And then all I got to do is just select an image, so that image of David, and do one for Goliath. And once you do that, start building, and you want to type in the name of the character and click start building. Once you've done that, then you will get the characters here, so we can see David and Goliath. And then I can generate images, and then you can type @ symbol and type in the name, or you can click on your character and it will put it here. So then we can go David or you can do Goliath. We can click add another character and choose Goliath. So then you can have both of them, David and Goliath, and then you can create a scene and you can generate an image like this. Just make sure to change the ratio. And that's the best way to generate images using the consistent characters. The best way to change scenes is to select Nanobanana 2, which is one of the new models from Google. As you can see, I can click on the drop down menu and you have all these different models. And we've got Nanobanana, Nanobanana Pro, Nanobanana 2. I'm going to select that, and I don't want this background. I want a different background. So I can say, and I'm going to make sure the ratio is 16:9 to K. And so you can see here the result using Nanobanana. So you can see here the result using Nanobanana 2. It creates high fidelity images, and I understood what I wanted. You can see the guards, the tent. Here's effects. Now, once you're happy with your character, just go to the right hand side. You can see all your results, and you can actually click AI video, and it'll add it into the AI video section on the left. Next, I'm going to generate videos on all those images, and we want to go ahead and select Kling 3.0. This is going to get the best quality results, and I'm going to click generate. And we want to change the quality to 1080p, and you can also do auto aspect ratio. So what I can do is click on lip sync, and it will take me to this canvas where it will automatically pick up the face of the character in that video, and I can click next. You can also swap it with my face if I want, but I can leave it as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to record an audio and upload that audio. 40 days I called out, an entire army said nothing. It also works if you have two characters. In this example, I'll use designed inbuilt voices. Click on the two faces, so it registers, so we can add a voice to both speakers. If you only click one, it's only going to add voice to one. And then you want to go to the bottom left and you want to click pick a voice. You can upload an audio, but for these two characters, I'm just going to use the default so we can play and preview this.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that brings...
So we can select this, and then we can say, are you sure you can do this? Question mark. I'm going to do generate. We'll go ahead and use that voice and generate the audio.
Are you sure you can do this?
And then for David, I'm going to pick a younger boy's voice.
So then I broke up with Miss California because I just got...
So you can click the little play button to test different voices. I like the, I think it was Dilo. I like this one.
They call me a traitor. God is with me.
So now we've got the two voices, and we're just going to move it like this. So you've got the timeline. You can adjust the audio. And once you're happy with that, we're gonna click generate and watch the magic happen.
God is with me. Let me battle Goliath.
Are you sure you can do this?
You can also add sound effects. Once you've created your video, go to sound effects and you can type in whatever you like and it just brings life to the video.
Where is Saul? Anyone here? God is with me. Let me battle Goliath.
Are you sure you can do this?
40 days I called out. An entire army said nothing. This
Thank you, God, for this feast and victory.
If you're ready to create your own Bible stories or cinematic movies, then try out Design. I'll put a link in the description below. You do get some free credits to play around with.